I'm just sailing, you cannot stop.
Line Webtoons has created a webcomic contest, and so I'm entering the contest. Now, I've always wanted to create my own characters and stories. That's why I dropped a bill on art school more than 13 years ago. And so, I'm finally gonna try it. But drawing comics and animation is really hard, and it's a lot of work. So much, in fact, that even with my 17 years of training, I'm really wondering if I can even do this work at the pace that I need to be able to do it at. And so, I've decided to try. It is so much work. I spend a third of my day drawing and 2/3 of my day avoiding drawing. And yet I still manage not to meet my self-imposed deadlines. So I've decided to try something interesting. Instead of doing the reasonable thing and creating a calendar and meeting daily goals, which I do a fair bit of, instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a daily video journal to keep track of my progress and to feel like I've accomplished something by the end of the day. And so I've taken the problem of having too much work to do and trying to solve it by adding yet more layers of work to do. But in the past, I have found that that is often just the kind of unintuitive solution that actually works. By the way, my comic is called Bread Dogs. You can find it by searching on webtoons.com.